Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to my Benzo TV. It's the Nedbank Cup, Durban City 1, Kazakhstan 0. I'm joined by Umama Africa.
Lochani nayi icrash yama Kaizer Chiefs. Igame yanamhlanje ngizwa omunye wala uthi beyi powerful. Ipowerful njani ngoba sibakorela abantu. Sibakorela abantu lapha. So now igame yanamhlanje kuhle bekungeyethu. So mina ngibe ne worry ngibona uNana ngaphandle, ngibona uMfukeng ngaphandle. Ene uKhawane udlala kuhle naka noMfukeng. And then unamba umukiti lo mude lo ngwana Simon efanele bathome ngaye.
Aqala igame.
Efanele athome igame. But anyway igame le kuhle bengeyethu sibona sibakorele mina my worry abakakoni so mina my worry now ukuthi babatosa again kufanele sibuye eDurban City and this is our last 1.4 yokuzala so bengifuna ukuthi iCasric idlule unfortunately so sithi congratulations nanoma sibakorele so sasa izali kosothoro ngizokubona igame so bona igame eMilford yamaphela
Durban City bathi uyoshawa kusasa. Ukhona lekala. Bathi thiya siyoshawa ngiyakutshela. Hayi ukuthi ngikamba uyabona. Lalela lapho uthi oh, you think you be man of the match ngiyeza kuyi. Man of the match.
Man of the match amu. No, man of the match.
Ubani?
Simon Mukiti.
Simon Mukiti.
Yeah, need bamfake second half. Bamfake late. And I was worried ngonana no Mfukeng. Mfukeng ubuye ku DDC ye Pirate. Was walk ama tickets.
He's a quality.
It's a quality that guy.
Sasa kuthiya sikora bani mama?
No kukora unkakora Tshepo, kukora uZindonga.
uZindonga.
And then sivale go Mahlambi.
Hayi kwasungaba uJezi number bani?
Uno 27 no 6 no baza ngikhalebe no 12 yebo phela
so uyazi ukuthi Nedbank ithini mama wami ithi mawucanga ukuthi uJezi number 6 uzokora 30 personal loan ye 6000 makakora imali yakho
hayi mina vele ngiyo 30 personal loan kakora Tshepo
uzoba nemali ye final
siyathokoza
thank you mama Africa ngiyakwazi ngiyeza kuwe